This is another example of one of our recipe flip stands. It's got a beautiful cover, doesn't it? When it's all set up, it looks like this. It's similar to a recipe binder, and that's how we organize these. But it's really kind of its own unique thing, isn't it? This has a little sleeve over it right now. Let me just take this off. And you can see you can flip through it really easily, go page to page. The dividers are in the back for now, but you can move these around, and you can see the dividers look really nice. They all look the same with that same polka dot. And on the back, you'll see there's a nice little reference guide ready to go through. So anyway, it's a very pretty flip stand. And to take it down, all you have to do is this little bit back here. This is magnetized, so it just snaps into place. Just put it like that and then flip it over, and you've taken it down. So very easy to set up, and it has the real advantage that while you're cooking, the recipes are just there vertically so you can see it at a glance while you're cooking, and the recipes are all protected behind sheet protectors. We offer the sheet protectors separately, in addition to the ones that come with the flip stands. So if you need more, you can always get more.